Yeah, so good evening, students. So, students, we have finished two sessions. Okay, today will be the last session of the revision. Okay, I thought to start the sample paper, but it was not possible for the previous batch, I guess. Okay, so there are some questions which I need to do in front of you because some questions logically they are making some very big issues. So I'll just show what path you need to follow. Two questions are there, like two or three questions are there. Okay, so let's complete the revision first of all. In the subsequently, let us go for those questions also. Questions? Yeah. So let me give a quick recap, students. So, student, I have started with congruency first. Congruency. I have finished similarity of triangles, the basics. Then we finished BPT. Converse of BPT also we finished. Then we have started criteria for similarity triangle. I think we have completed A criteria. Let us do other criteria one question and let's move to the completion of division. Yeah, congruency. It's only same shape and size. You need to check these six elements. Provided if you check these three, that's more than enough. Okay. You see, these two things are same for similarity and congruency. But here it is side, side, side. In similarity, it is sides ratio, sides ratio, sides ratio. Here it is side, angle, side. In similarity, it is sides ratio, angle, sides ratio. Okay. Yeah, definitely these two are totally different. They doesn't work for similarity at all. Okay. Then we went to similarity. We are only speaking about the shapes. We are not at all confined to the size at all. Okay. By looking, we can very well say. But for mathematics, again, here also we need to check these six parameters side angle 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 and sides ratio sides ratio sides ratio, but in spite of that six elements you can only check these three sides ratio sides ratio sides ratio SAS sides ratio angle, which I said they both are same in both congruence similarity. The third thing is A angle 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 or A. Okay, we have completed this. Okay, so once I finished that, we went to the BPT, we finished that converse BPT, we finished that. Then we went to the criteria of similarity, basic thing like three angles, three sides you check. Then we have finished A also. Okay. Okay. So student, let us go to the A similarity now today. Okay. Let us go to the A similarity. So student, it is not different. It is just a corollary of the AAA similarity. What does it show? It just shows that whenever two things are similar, definitely there is no necessary to go and check the third side. You can only just check if two side angles are matched, not angles. I'm sorry, it's an angle. You should just check two angles. One angle is equal, the second angle is equal, the third angle there is no necessity to check. Why? Why? Because you know the third angle will be 180 minus these 200. Third angle will be 180 minus these 200. Angle sum property. So they will automatically comes true. So that's the reason there is no necessary to go for a similarity. You can just stop with a similarity only. Okay. Yeah. So again, but I said that whenever you are getting these questions, don't jump and say they both are not similar. Why? Because only one angle is matching, the other angle is not matching. Ensure that you are calculating the other angle like 80, 30, 110. This is 70. Like 80, 70, 150. This is 30. Then only you should check whether they are similar or now you see 80, 80, 30, 30, 70, 70. They both are similar. Like that, don't just get finally into the solution only by looking. Do this one step, calculate the third angle and keep it aside. You may require, you may not require, keep it aside. Sure. Okay. Yeah. So with that, let us do one question on A similarity. Check A similarity, student. What all is in AO is 20. This is 20 centimeters. Sir. Please cross check centimeters. They all should be the same thing. OB is 12. PB is 18. He's asking AQ beta. So he's asking this side. This side. So you need to, first of all, they both belongs. I'm able to see two triangles. So predict those two triangles. I'm able to see something like two triangles AOQ and POB. Now are they similar? If they're similar, how? Yes, Narendran, are they similar beta? If so, which angles?
Sir, angle AOQ and POB.
Very good. Reason?
So vertically opposite.
Very good, student. He's telling this angle, this angle. Next one.
Sir, angle OAQ equal to OPB.
Very good, student. Because they both are 90. You see, this is 90, this is 90. So this angle equal. Okay, so by a similarity, you can just say they both are similar. But please try to write the order perfectly. Whenever you're writing order, check. When O is there, O should come. So O. When A is there, B should come. So B. P, O, P. That's all. Yes, very good. Ananya, Amulya, right answer. Ankita, right answer. Ananya, right answer. Harshini, right answer. Very good. Once you finish, now he's speaking about the distances. So by that, take this thing, which is nothing but CPST. OQ by OP equal to AQ by BP. Okay, by CPST student. You should write that word, sir. If at all this question comes for 3 marks. AO 20 by BO 12. OQ not given, OP not given, AQ I want, BP 18. So obviously I can take 20 by 12 equal to AQ by 18. Okay. So 6 twos are, 6 threes are, 2 ones are, 2 tens are, AQ equal to 30 centimeter. Yes, Narendra, right answer. Okay, students, so that's only the calculation. We can do it. Rujita got the answer, bachi.
Yes, sir.
Rujita got the answer. Okay, Tanish and Rujita also got that. Good. Okay. Yes, student. So this is also one of the repeated questions, student. It's easy only. It's easy only. Vertical pole, 8 meters. Shadow, 6 centimeters. Now, on the ground at the same time, our shadow, 630 meters. He's asking the towers. A tower will be higher, pole and tower. So try to take tower will be big height. Harshini, which one student? Previous one, that answer okay. I
No,
think you
sir,
are
this one.
wrong answer, beta. Ankita, can you give the answer again? Ankita, Narendran, wrong answer. Ankita, wrong answer. Okay? Yeah, this is the story. You see? Pole, shadow, tower, shadow. Okay? Now, whoa, sir, where are the triangles? Right now, I'm in the chapter of triangles. Where are the triangles? Okay? So, students,
Sir,
yes, yes.
sir, is that 6 centimeter only?
I have shown clearly. What is the
Yes.
confusion? Yeah, Tanish, wrong answer. Ananya, wrong answer. Okay, so student, the first step, what I said when I was discussing science, ensure that all the units are same. Check, check, are they same? H meters I am taking. They are not same. It's a 6 centimeter. Everybody is in meter. Convert it. It's 0.06 meter. Why, sir? Why? Because 6 centimeter, 6 into 1 centimeter, 6 into 1 by 100 meter, which is nothing but 0.06 meter. Okay. Yeah, so now, so where are the triangles? So triangle student, you should look this word. If you are not looking at this word, you will be in a trouble. At the same time, like if you see E, Narendra, Tanish, we all are in India. At the same sun rises almost same time. If I want to look the sun, the angle of elevation for him, for Narendra, for Tanish, and for me, they both three are same. So if I am looking that particular peak, the sun, obviously this angle will theta, this angle will also be theta. A, B, C, P, Q. Now you got something like two triangles in the concept. Narendran, wrong answer. Rujita, wrong answer. Amulya, wrong answer. Harshini, wrong answer. Okay. Okay, now I got two triangles, so I'm able to see, okay, sir, already you see pole and ground 90 degrees, tower and ground will also be 90 degrees. If not 90 degrees, they both will fall. So in these two triangles, 2 and 90, 90, theta, theta, by A corollary, I can just say A, B, C is similar to triangle. Whenever I am writing B, I should write Q. Whenever I am writing C, I should write R. Okay? And the left over is same. Amul, you are wrong. Okay? So once I complete a triangle, so let me use, so now I am speaking about the distances. Let me use CPST. AB by PQ, first two alphabets, second and third alphabet, first and third alphabet. Okay? Okay. Narendran, wrong. Amul, Ananya, wrong. Okay? AB is 8 given. PQ, I need to find which is H. BC is given 0.06. QR is given 30. I'll stop it here. I want H. I already got the equation in H is there and only one unknown. So I can use this thing. Okay. So if I cross multiply this, 8 into 30 equal to 0.06 into H. But I want H. H equal to 8 into 30 divided by 0.06. 240 divided by 6, 0.06 I can write 100, right? 6 fours, 4,000 and all are in meters. Meters is the right answer. Okay, so there is no answer. You should have given at least this word. Some students give 40 centimeter, 400 meters. So it's 4,000 meters, student. 4,000 meters. No, not 40 meters at all. I took all of them in meters. So what I got is definitely meters. Okay, so there is some mistake is there. It should be 6 meters. Okay, but again,
Sir,
when the same
the
yes,
answers are in centimeters, so should we convert?
no. You see, student, first of all, if you assume the question exactly came in your exam, meter, all are meter. And I also said when I express science, first of all, you see all are in all are in same units, and give the priority to SI units. I said this statement. Okay, so give the priority. And next thing, if at all in your exam the question came, you can choose any answer once you are not getting the same answer, so that you will get the answer. If you are keeping unattended, you'll not get the marks. Yes, student. Ankita.
Sir, is the options wrong?
Yes, option is wrong. Option is wrong. You should have typed at least, sir, I'm getting this answer, 4,000 meters. I was expecting this answer. Okay, options are wrong. It's a 4,000 meters. Options are considered by considering this as 6 meters better. That's the reason you see the options are here. Okay, which shall we move ahead? So always when this question is somewhat repeated, you should construct the triangle by taking theta common. Angle of elevation of by looking the sun is same at a time. You can look the word at the same time. Okay, yeah. So this is also one of the repeated question and your NCERT question only. A girl height is 90 centimeters. The girl is here. CD is saying 90 centimeter. Is walking on the base of the lamp post. Lamp post. Okay. Speed. He has given the speed of the girl is 1.2 meter per second. And the lamp height AB student. AB is given as 3.6 meter. Again, there's a clash. You see, there are some meters and centimeter. Try to convert. And so I'll write here, this is 3.6. The girl is 90 centimeter. Please convert into meter, 0.9 meter. The students who are not understanding conversion, ask me. I'll try to help you. 0.9 meter. Okay. Now he's asking length of her shadow after 4 seconds. So you see, the girl was here first. The girl was here. She has walked this direction, away from the, still away from the base. She has walked here. She reached here. Okay. Now, so he said that she has walked up to 4 seconds, right? So this is 4 seconds. And now he's asking this one. Shadow means something like black. He's asking D. So you can take X. Okay, this is the given data, student. Height of lamppost, height of girl in centimeter, and she walked for 4 seconds, and her shadow after 4 seconds, he's asked. Harshini, right answer, no? Second student. Yes, Harshini, Narendran, right answer. Okay, so you see, student, here is 3.6 meter, 0.9 meter, x meter, that is fine. But BD is 4 seconds. So everything is speaking about the length. Why here seconds? So that means the BD information I need to convert into distance. I need to convert into length. Everything is spoken in length, but here BD is speaking about the seconds. Okay? Yes, very good, Harshini. Ankita got different answer. I think Ankita and Rujuta are right. So Harshini and Narendra should cross check, I guess. Okay, so everything is in distance. So let me convert BD as also. What is BD? The distance walked by the girl. What is distance formula? BD equal to speed into time. Sir, why are you using this formula? He has given some speed and time. So speed 1.2 meter per second. Time is 4 seconds. So seconds got cancelled and I got 1.2 into 4 is 4.8 meters. So this is 4.8 meters, student. BD. So this is what information he has given. Yes, Amulya, right? Yes, Tanish. Yes, the half answer right, but his question is he's asking X beta. Okay, so now I just use some more information to draw the data. Yes, Amulya right, Ananya right, student. Okay, so now I'm able to see two triangles, big triangle, small triangle. So obviously they both are similar. Why, sir? It's a common angle here and here 90 degrees, 90 degrees. So obviously by A corollary, they both are similar. So I can take the triangle ABC, big triangle is similar to triangle. Whenever B is there, I should write D. Whenever C is there, sorry, this is E, right? ABE, I'm sorry, student. I should write E only. So what is left? C is left. Okay, E is a common angle. So now you know by CPST AB by CD equal to BE by DE equal to AE by CE. Harshini, right answer. AB 3.6, CD 0.9, BE is beta 4.8 plus X. DE is X. I think I'll stop. I'll not use this also. Why? Because I already got the equation. Okay, so now 0.94 za. 9 fours are 36, right? That is what I use. So 4x equal to 4.8 plus x, 3x equal to 4.8, x equal to 4.8 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 8. In 1.6 meters is the right answer. I forgot to add x in B, sir. Harshini and Narendra also had done the same thing because he also got 1.2 meter as an answer. Okay, you observe your own silly mistakes, students. That is where you need to correct. Okay, please observe your own mistakes. The best way to correct is to find the fault by yourself. Okay, Megha got the answer, student.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who else? Let me see who else joined later. Chaudan, you're there, student. So try to give the answers.
Sir.
Yeah. So Tanushri, understood Tanushri?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next question on the screen. So student, don't give me direct answer. This question came for 3 marks. This question came for 3 marks. If you are giving the direct answer, you check whether your answer is right or not with me. That's fine. But you should give me the procedure also. There are many ways to do this question again. Huh? In the given figure, angle A is 90. So you can see angle A is 90. AD is perpendicular to BC. You can see 90 degrees is drawn. BD is 2. CD is 8. Find AD. So he's asking this red color. Yes, Tanish, I want this red color. So which two triangles? So as we are in the chapter of similarity, which two triangles should I start with?
So triangle ADB and ADC.
Wonderful. Okay, so he has seen that this particular line is common for these two. So why don't these two triangles? So he said absolutely right. Triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Okay, let us take this one. Yes. So what can you say about these two, Tanish? Which angles are same? You want to use AA similarity, AA, whatever you want to use, you say student.
So angle ADC equals angle ADB, is equal to 90 degree.
Yes, ADC, this is 90 equal to angle ADB equal to 90 degrees. Absolutely fine.
So
So,
similarly, angle BAD and angle DAC.
very good. Answer is wrong. So, what is saying, you student? So, he said half answer right. Here is what the students get confused. Not only he, many students will get confused. Angle BAD equal to angle DAC. Who said that? Who said that? Here he said AD is perpendicular. You said it's a perpendicular bisector. You said how did you consider this angular bisector? Okay, so perpendicular bisector can or cannot be angular bisector. Again, I am repeating. He said it is 90 degrees, but total is 90 degrees. So nobody has said this is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. So how can I make them equal? Yes, Narendran.
So you consider triangle ADB and CAB.
Okay, so 1 second. What did I consider? ADB and ADC. The small two triangles I have considered, student. So what you are saying?
So you should consider ADB and CAB.
So you want to consider big triangle? Okay, okay. So you see, here is what the deadlock. So most of the students will take this both angles same. He never said that. He said total angle is 90 degrees. So I'll just make sure what I'm saying. So I'm saying that this blue color angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. But blue color is divided into yellow color and red color. And they both are not same. He did not mention. Okay. Yes. So now Narendra is saying some different things. So triangle ADB and triangle ABC. Okay, student. I took both big triangle and small triangle. Go ahead then.
So angle ADB equal to angle CAB.
Angle ADB equal to triangle CAB. Yes, absolutely right. They both are 90. You see, student, he's telling, sir, this is 90, this is 90, and this is also 90. So he made it equal. Okay, then
So angle B equal to angle B common.
angle B equal to angle B common. Okay, wonderful. So you got they both are similar, right? Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. 1 second, I should cross check whether I have written the order right or wrong. 1 second, I'll erase. I'll only write one side. Okay, so ADB means wherever D is there, I should write A. So A will come in the middle. Wherever B is there, I should write B. And AB, C. This is what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So he's saying that, okay, so he's saying that first of all, this total angle, this is blue, so this is blue. This is what he said. This is blue, these both are 90, that is what he said. And this is a common angle. Yeah, so student, so that's fine, absolutely fine. So now what should I do? I should use a similar, that CPST. So CPST only is left. So AD by CA equal to DB by AB equal to AB by CB. Okay, I just use similarity CPST. AD I want, CA I don't have. DB to AB I don't have. AB I don't have. CB is 10. Okay, then I can see I can frame out these two. 2 into 220 equal to AB square. But what do I want? I want AD student. AB square I got 20. This I got 2. What will be this? 20 minus 2, right? 20 minus 4, 16. Yes, absolutely right. You can do this way. You'll get 4 centimeters in answer. Okay, so student, here is what he did absolutely right. Should I repeat it? I'm repeating, you see, student. Okay, so what Tanish said is absolutely right. We need to start with the same thing. Sir, AD is in the middle. So I just started with these two triangles similarity, these two. So I just started, but I got roadblock with only 90 degrees. Okay, I got roadblock. Yes, Tanish?
Sir, is that 20? AB square equals 20.
Yes, sir. Yeah, AB square equal to 20, right answer. So you see what he said is AB square 20 beta, and this is DB square is 4. What is AD square? In that particular Pythagoras theorem, it will be AB square minus BD square. AB square you got 20 and BD square is 4. 20 minus 4 is 16 and AD equal to 4. This is what he said. Okay, so you see, student, this question is a little bit tricky. Again, I'm saying try to understand things. I definitely started with these two small triangles, but I just stopped here. There is nothing to proceed. That's the reason I took again big and small. So he took big triangle and this small triangle he took. So big triangle and this small triangle he took. Now he said, sir, in big triangle this is 90, small triangle this is 90. So one angle he got it, and he's able to see, sir, angle B equal to angle B, common angle. So in this by AA corollary, these both triangles are similar. Once they are similar, I can use CPST. After using CPST, I just transfer the things whatever I am getting it. I just transfer the things whatever he has given information. Finally, I am able to see only I can solve these two. I can't solve these two because there are three unknowns. If I take this, if I take these two only, one unknown, I just solved it. But he did not ask AB square, he asked AD square. Again, I am able to see this small triangle. I can use Pythagoras theorem. AD square equal to AB square minus BD square, AD equal to 4. Harshini, understood, beta?
Yes.
Okay. Mega, understood?
Yes, sir.
Ankita, understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically you start with these two, you will get stopped, then only you go, okay? Because 99% question, you will, if you take these two triangles, you will get it, okay? Yeah, so is there any shortcut? You see, same question, same year, it came for 3 marks, it came for 1 mark also, okay? What is the formula for that? I'll explain, okay? So you can use this formula if at all it is for 1 mark. If you did not understand, if you don't have time, use this formula and at least for 3 marks, you'll get 1 mark answer, okay? Yeah, so let me use this formula. You see, student, if at all in a right angle triangle, if at all this division is happening, you can just write AD square equal to BD into DC. BD into DC. This is the shortcut formula. AD square equal to BD into DC. And provided it should be right angle and it should be perpendicular bisector. Only this scenario, this formula works. Okay, what is AD square? AD square is nothing but I need to find what is BD? BD he has given as 2, DC is given as 8. AD square equal to 16, AD equal to 4. Plus or minus 4 actually. Finally, you will end with plus 4. Okay, so if at all it is for 1 mark, MCQ, you can use this formula. This particular AD square, I think height square equal to BD into DC. Height square equal to BD into DC. Okay, use the same formula for the next question. Assume it is of 1 mark. No, it's 2 mark question. Huh? It was 2 mark question. 2 mark question. Utilize the same formula or else whatever you're finding good way. I don't ask you to use the shortcut. I have given shortcut that may help you. Find the value of x here. X. 2 mark question this is. Rujita, understood the previous question, student?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Got it, okay. Narendran, I think you're right, student. There are many ways to do previous question. Huh? Narendran has chosen one way. You can do the same question by the Pythagoras theorem at all. Similarity also not required. By the Pythagoras theorem only you can solve it. Yes, Ankita, right answer. Karthik join. Karthik. Avdan, give the answer, student. Harshini, right answer. Tanushri, right answer.
Questions before?
Pardon?
Have we done these questions before?
Yes, you see, right now I'm in the revision only. So whatever I have done in the session, I'm repeating it. Okay, from tomorrow when we go for sample paper, that will be new questions for you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so student, obviously AD square equal to BD into DC. This is what I have given shortcut. But what is BD? BD will be 8. No, BD will be 12. Then only 12 plus 4 will be 16. So 12 into DC will be 4. So AD square will be equal to 48. Now I want X. X square equal to AD square plus DC square. Finish student, finish. AD square I got 48. CD square I got 4 square. So that will be 48 plus 16, which is 64. Square root of 64 will be 8 centimeter. Yes, Ananya, wrong answer. Amulya, wrong answer. Tanish, right answer. Ananya, right answer. Mega, I'm not seeing any answer from your side. Okay, students. So that's a shortcut you can use for that. You see, you can use only Pythagoras theorem only to find that answer. There's no requirement of similarity also. Yeah. Look at the question, student. ABC is a parallelogram. So I'll give you one trick. Whenever you see parallelogram, you don't go for the next step. You write AB equal to CD. You may use it, you may not use it, but please write this. AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. You write this and keep it aside. In a parallelogram, opposite sides will be of equal length. That is what I have written. Okay. Now, point P divides AB in 2:3 ratio. Point P is here. It is dividing this ratio in 2:3. And point Q divides CD in the ratio 4:1. Point Q is here. It is dividing the ratio 4:1. Prove that OC equal to half times OA. Okay, this is what I need to prove. Okay, students. So he speak about the length. Length means something I need to bring similarity. Then I should do CPST. Then only the lengths can be taken, right? Why? Because there are no these are not Pythagoras theorem right angle triangles I am able to see. Okay. Yes, Tanish, which triangle should I take, student, to bring these two things in the picture? OC, I am drawing it for you. OC is here, OA is here. Yes, Rujita, you say, student. Tanish already said, I guess. Rujita.
Sir, in triangle OQC and OPA.
Acha, okay. So she said absolutely right. She's able to see, sir, this triangle you take. Because you see, already two, whatever you want, they are already included. And this looks simple. Why, sir? Automatically, I'm able to see vertically opposite angles. So 1A is already seen. Okay, so students, some students are taking this triangle. Sir, you see, I'll take this triangle. You see, these two are included. I'll take this triangle. These two are included. Don't do that again. Okay, so don't do that because you may get the answer, but you see, in these two triangles, again this angle, there may be some differences. So take the triangle which is convenient you are able to see. Similar triangles chapter is only you need to see the question in different ways. Yes, Tanish, right answer. Rujita done this question before. Very good. 10:41. Okay, students. So that she just said absolutely right. So let me take those two triangles. So I'll just write triangle AOP and triangle COQ. Okay, now I should write the order. So I'll not write the entire thing, students. So you see why they both are similar? Sir, these are vertically opposite angle. You need to write angle O to the vertical angle. Now you see this is AP, this is CD. They both are parallel lines and this is a transversal. So what can you say? You can say angle A equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle C, angle O equal to angle O, and these both are parallel lines and this is also a transversal. You can say this angle equal to this angle Q equal to angle P. Okay, or else you can just stop by saying those two AA only. There is no need to go for triple A. Only AA you can help you can stop it. Okay, now they both are similar. I'm just writing the similar things. Okay, now I brought similarity, so obviously some distances. So let me write CPST. AO by CO equal to OP by OQ equal to AP by CQ. Okay, so you see AO I want to bring you. I brought it. CO. Brought it. Okay. Yes, Harshini, help me, student. What is OP? OP is nothing, right? OP only.
It's nothing.
OQ, yeah. What is AP, beta?
Sir, AP is 2x.
What is CQ?
CQ is 1x.
1x or 1y?
Sir, x only.
Why? This, you see, if the distribution is between you and me, I'll say you take 2 times x, I'll take 3 times x. But this is distribution between me and Narendran. How can you say the x will be same? Whenever you are converting ratios into factors, you will pick 2x, 3x, but it should be 4y and 1y, right? They both are totally different, right? So the distribution is between you and me, the distribution is between 2 other students.
Sir, but AB is equal to CD.
Ah, very good. Okay, absolutely. Very good. Now, that statement should come. Okay. So, student, it is 2x and 1x only. Why, sir? Why are you taking common factor there when they both are dividing separately? Why? Because AB equal to CD. That means if you are taking this as a distance and they both are same, if you are taking a factor 2x, 3x, this should be 4x and x only. Why? Because already we have proven it here. They both are equal. So the factor will also be equal. So here I can just say 2x and x. Okay, Ankita, very good. That's all finished, student. So I'm able to see. I want AO by OC. I'll take AO by OC. And this fellow gets cancelled too. I want OC. I'll transfer OC there. And 2 will be coming here. AO. That is what I need. Okay, yes, Harshini, good. Okay, so always ensure that you are taking the triangles which are easily seen to prove. And second, you write this statement whenever you are starting with the parallelogram. Okay, and once he is asking to prove the distances, obviously you don't have any other thing. You need to show similar and then CPST into the picture. Tanushri, understood, beta?
Kind of, sir.
Pardon? Where are you? Where are you?
Kind of, sir.
Kind of. Okay. You can take recording if you want. I'll provide. Okay, so students, if you now this is a question which you need to practice before going to the exam. Okay, lot of confusions will be there here. Okay, let me take this question. Okay, yeah. So in the figure, PQRS is a parallelogram. So whenever I see the parallelogram, I'll not see the question. I'll just see the PQR as a parallelogram. So PS equal to QR. Okay, I'll take it smaller. PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR. PS equal to QR and SR equal to PQ. SR equal to PQ. Okay, so only this statement I have seen. Now he's saying AB is parallel to PS. So AB is this one, PS is this one. AB is parallel to PS. This is what he said. Now he's asking me to prove OC is perpendicular. OP is parallel to SR. Where is OP? Let me see. Where is OP? OP is, sorry, OC. OC is this. SR is this. Yeah. So student, I need to prove they both are parallel. Okay. Yes, Ankita, how to start, student? How to start?
So first we can consider the triangle AOB.
Triangle AOB. No, first of all, I want to prove OC equal to SR. So can I directly prove it's not geometry, right? I can't say parallel. I want one mathematical equation. If this mathematical equation is right, then they are parallel. There should be that statement first.
It's AB is parallel to PS is given. So can we consider that triangle?
You're right, absolutely right, student. Why are you considering the triangle? Now you see, whenever any question is coming, you need to analyze the question first. Then you can start. Okay, yes, Harshini. If at all I want to prove this, what should I start with? I want to show
for
the
that we need triangle BOC.
Very good. You see, student, I want to prove these both parallel. So what is that? We have learned BPT and converse BPT. So if I want to prove parallel, converse BPT statement you need to bring in. What is the converse BPT statement? If BR by RC equal to BS by SO, then I can say they both are parallel. Okay. So that means first of all, when I am looking this, it's not geometry. I need to bring mathematical equation. So I am able to see BR by RC equal to BS by SO. Then you can say they both are parallel. So what I need to prove ultimately, I need to prove BR by RC equal to BS by SO. So this is by converse BPT. This statement is valid. So if I prove this statement, then it is fine. Understood, Ankita? Now what I was asking?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Megha. How to bring these two things in the picture, BR by RC, or else you say me BS by SO. How to bring the picture into the picture? I want it on the screen. Yeah, BS by SO is here, beta. BS SO is here. How to bring these two
We
things?
can take the triangle AOB because we
Very
already
good.
know that it's parallel.
Very good. Students, she is telling, sir, BS by SO, you take triangle AOB, big triangle she is telling, okay? Okay, so in triangle AOB, student who have not practiced this question, don't do. I'll prove I'm at a fault first, okay? Student who already practiced this question, practice again without my help. So I'm taking the big triangle AOB. Go ahead, Megha. What should I write here? Megha, I have taken AOB. What should I write here? Not able to hear. Yes, Narendra. AOB I have taken. What should I write? Students, are you able to hear me or not? Harshini, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Acha. AOB student. So AOB means. So Harshini, you say me student. What should I write then? If at all I'm taking AOB.
So first we write AB is parallel to PS.
Okay, very good. AB is parallel to PS. He has given, and I have written. Very good.
Then we can write OP by PA
Very good. Common vertex OP by PA.
is equal to OS by BS.
OS by
SV
SB. Very good. Student, you see, BS by SO I want. BS by SO is already I got. So
by
one.
BPT.
Very good. Okay. You see, I want OB by OS in the picture. I brought OB by OS in the picture. Okay. By BPT. This word is very important. Very good, Harshi. Okay. So this is what I got sure. Next. Okay. Yes, Tanish. I already got this beta. I want to bring this thing in the picture. I'll use the blue color. So what is that? BR by RC. Where is BR? BR is here. RC is here. Yes, Tanish. Which triangle should I consider to bring?
So can we take the whole triangle?
Very good. Absolutely right. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Then Tanish, I have taken whole triangle.
So then the same thing, AB parallel to PS.
AB parallel to PS. Okay, then what will happen? Where is PS? You are taking big triangle. Whatever that cutting should be, that should be on big triangle. You see, PS is not cutting the big triangle. Only AB is cutting. You see, if at all something like this is there, then you can apply BPT. But PS is not for the big triangle. Yes, Narendran?
So you can take OR.
QR. This is QR.
Yeah.
Yes, he said absolutely right. Sir, he's telling, sir, QR is parallel to AB. Why, Narendran? Why QR is parallel to AB then?
So because PS is parallel to QR.
Very good. Student, PS is parallel to QR. You already wrote. So PS is parallel. So you should write those, sir. So you should write that, sir, PS is parallel to AB, which is given. And PS is parallel to QR because they are parallelogram. So in this both statement, AB will be parallel to QR. That's the reason if you are using double for the parallel, you can use the same double thing for the QR also. Now you can say, sir, big triangle. You see, AB and QR both are touching big triangle. You can just say this is C, right? So the colors are all mixing. Okay. So CQ by QA equal to CR by RB. CR by RB. Did I bring that in the picture? RB by RC, RB by RC. It is ulta, it is reciprocal, that's fine. But I already brought this thing in the picture, and this thing in the picture. Okay. Now only one challenge. If I prove this equal, my answer will be finished. Okay, so who will help me the next step? So I already brought whatever I want in the channel. I already brought, but I want to prove them both to be equal. Yes, Rujuta, try student.
From like uh, since PQRS is a parallelogram, PS is equal to QR, and that we've written. So PS by AB is equal to CR by CB.
PS by AB equal to
CR by CB.
why? CR by CB. CR is there, Aksha. Why?
So from like the second equation that you've written,
This one.
like by BPT, yeah.
Acha, so you want to apply BPT over here? No, student. You see, PS is not touching the big triangle. It should touch
So
big triangle.
I took triangle CQR and CAB.
Okay, 1 second. I'll write the triangle's name. Otherwise, I'll also get confused. You took triangle CQR.
CQR and CAB.
Okay, CQR is small triangle and CAB is big triangle. Now, okay, then.
Yeah, and it is congruent or like similar by AAA. So
Okay.
so by BPT it will be QR by AB is equal to CR by CB.
QR by AB equal to
CR by CB.
CR by CB.
Yeah, and PS is equal to QR. So uh, like PS by AB instead of
So
QR.
you did not use these two steps at all.
No, I did the first step, but I
Second step, acha, you took different triangle. You are saying, huh?
yes, sir. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. So let me see student once again. Let me see. She's saying something. CQR is this triangle. CAB is big triangle. So I'm able to see they both are similar. So you want to use similar concept.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely fine. So student, that is what I said. Okay. Now student, definitely that will not come in my mind. My mind, in my mind, only BPT comes. Whenever I see the triangle like this, only BPT comes. So that is where I said this question, whenever you are taking after this, there is there is a dead block. You can't proceed further. So that's the reason I said in yesterday also one of the proofs I said, whenever you are failing to use the concept of BPT, go for the similarity concept. Go for the same. BPT is not wrong, but BPT is not helping me to reach up to the final answer. So I use BPT. I'm not able to the reach. So I'll be using similarity concept now. That's the reason. Whatever I have done, I'll erase now. Okay. So this is what I want to say. So sometimes BPT may not be helpful in most of the questions. You see, she has also started BPT similarity only. But let me start with the similarity from the very first step. Okay. So I'm erasing it. After this, there is a deadlock. So there is no triangle which will help me to make these two things equal. Okay. So if at all BPT fails, what should I go for? I'll go for similarity. Okay. So let me start the same question with from the very first student. Okay. So I'm doing again from the first. So I failed to take the help of BPT to prove. Okay. So let me take. Yeah. So what is similarity? So again, I'm able to, sir, I want to bring these two, BS by SO, I want to bring. So BPT is failed, but can you take similarity? You see, this small triangle and this big triangle, what are they? They are similar. They are similar. Why? This is a common angle, this angle, corresponding angle, this angle, corresponding angle. So you need to write that. So I'll erase this triangle AOB, big triangle AOB and small triangle OPS. Triangle OPS. So what are the angle? Angle O equal to angle O. So I'll not write this also. I'll just draw with this particular color. So she said absolutely right. So, but she has used after some step, but you can start with the very first step. See, this is common angle and angle A, angle P, both are same. Why, sir? They are corresponding angles. Why? AB and PS are parallel lines and it's a transversal. So this angle will be same corresponding angle. So that's the reason, student. Angle A equal to angle P, angle S equal to angle B. So what can I write? Triangle AOB is similar to triangle. When there is O, you write O. When there is A, you write P. When there is B, you write S. Okay. If at all you have written by CPST, AO by PO equal to OB by OS equal to AB by PS. You see why my similarity helps rather than BPT? I got 3 equations. In BPT, I got only 2 equations. That is where similarity will help you in other way. Okay, yes, Arshini, right answer. Okay. So similarity will help you more, student. Whenever the option is there, you can use similarity also. Why? Because I'm getting 3 equations. Okay. So sir, did I reach my whatever tools I want? You see, OS I got and OS is there in this entire equation. OS I want, I have OS. BS OS, I'll just try to take the help at the last. At least I'm able to see half answer is right. Okay, but only I want this term also. So I want RB or RC. Where is RB? RB is here. RC is here. So what triangle should I take? I'll take triangle CQR and CAB. Okay. So let me take those 2 triangles. I'm taking triangle CQR, comma triangle CAB, triangle CAB. Okay. So where now what is happening, student? Where are the angles? So I'm able to see, sir, angle C is common. So triangle C is common. What about this? This you see, this angle is same. Why? Corresponding angles. Why, sir? You see, this is parallel line, this is parallel line, and this is a transversal. So this angle will be same. Okay, that's the reason I'm using the yellow color. This angle is same, and also this angle CQR and this angle will be same. So whenever I'm writing triangle CQR, I'll write similar to triangle. Wherever C is there, C is a common angle. Q is there, I should write A. R is there, I should write B. Now if I have written, what can I do? I can use CPST. CQ by CA equal to QR by AB equal to CR by CB. Did I bring the something like BR? Yes. BC, no. RC, yes. RC is brought, okay? CR by RC, right? I'll write this. CR by RB. 1 second, student. Of our CR by CB. You see, I want CB, I want something like at least BR or RC. I got RC over here. Okay. Now the question is, sir, only you got half of the thing and I need to prove something equal also. What can you take help? You see, I have already written something. Take the help of this. Take the help of this. You need to transfer something from this particular information. So you are able to see whenever PS is there, you can write QR. So PS is here. I'm writing the remaining thing same. AO by PO, OB by OS, AB is there, AB. Wherever PS is there, I can write QR. Okay. Okay, so can you see here? AB by QR, AB by QR by AB, almost same I got. So I'll revert this thing. AB by QR, if I reverse this, I should reverse this also. CA by CQ, I should reverse BC by RC also. Now you see, student, my height equal to, Narendra height equal to, Tanish height, my height equal to, Amulya height equal to, Ananya height. We all are at the same height. This means all the 6 parameters are same. If you are matching one thing, all the remaining heights, all the remaining things will be same. So you can just start with, okay, so now what I want, I'm just using some space to it. Very big question. There are 2 or 3 methods, student, but all the methods are similar. There you can't find better methods, easier methods for this. So I'm able to say BS by SO I want, I'll take OB by OS here. Let me use that. Equal to, sir, I want RC is here, so let me use BC by RC. Okay, now I want BS, I have OB. Let me see where is BS and OB first of all. You see BS, I have ticked one. Yeah, you see OB is this and I want only BS. What will I do? I should subtract OS. I should subtract. Okay, again I'm saying I have OB here in my proof, but in the here proof I want only BS. Only this part. What should I do? I should subtract this part. So that's the reason yesterday some students were asking where we need to do some minus. You are always doing plus. Here you see there is that necessity. So what should I do, student? I should just subtract minus on both sides. OB by OS minus 1 equal to, if I'm doing minus, I should do here also BC by RC minus 1. Okay. Now let me see the figure. OB minus OS by OS BC minus RC by RC. OB minus OS. Let me see. Where is OB and OS? OB is big. OS is this cancel. I just got BS. So that will be BS by OS equal to BC minus RC. Where is BC? BC is this. BC is this. Minus what, student? Minus RC, right? Minus RC gaya. So I'll get RB. I'll get RB. RB by RC. Hence proved. Once I am proving this, RB by RC, BS by OS, as per converse BPT, you can just say they both are parallel. Okay, Rujita, yeah, so you have used almost similar, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I did.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
there is no shortcut for this question. Harshini, you have any shortcut? Harshini knows many shortcuts.
No, sir, I also use this one.
Same way, okay? So students, this is a repeated question. 2 years it came. Okay. So if at all you are practicing this question, practice 2 times now, and before going to exam on the preparation day, you should check once. Okay. Because it is not only for you, for me also. If at all I just don't concentrate more, I'll definitely make mistakes. There are many terms. Okay. But you see, the getting idea of similarity is so complex. Even I'll never get the similarity idea. Whenever I see the thing like this, I'll only go for the BPT. But BPT, only 2 equations you will get, you are not able to prove this. If you take similarity, you are able to get 3 equations, you are able to help. Mega, understood, beta?
Yes, I use this method only.
Okay. Okay, so that was something little bit complex. So I'll share this particular thing in the group. So step 1, step 2, step 3, I have written clearly, so you can use that thing. Okay, with that, let us go to the next concept. Okay, so now let us make something light. Let us make our mood very light. AAA, AA finished, student. Now SSS criteria questions let us do. Okay, so student, SSS criteria is very simple. What is that? Whenever two triangles are given, if at all the sides ratios are equal in both the triangles, you can just say they both are similar. If similar, the angles will automatically be equal, which is nothing but CPST. Okay, this is as simple as that. So don't go and check the theorems. The theorems are not important. In the regular session, I have proved the theorems. Why SSS criteria, why AA criteria, why AA criteria. I have proved it. But please, again, they are very complex. You can't expect so complex theorems in the exam. Okay. Yeah. So try to do this question, student. He is saying already similar, and he is asking the value of x, and x is nothing but distance, so obviously you need to bring that distance formula. Ankita, understood the previous question?
Yes, I got it.
Got it, very good. There is one more question also similar like that. You need to do only that pattern only to get the answer. I'll take that question in the sample paper. So tomorrow we are starting sample paper. So there is a very thin light chance that there will be a session tomorrow, student. Okay, very less chance. So utilize your time for the other subjects, or else be prepared for the sample papers which I'll be discussing. Don't do the sample papers yourself, because already that will be a waste of time. Concentrate on other chapters. I have divided green zone, yellow zone, red zone. Try to do the questions from green zone and some of the questions from yellow zone. Don't concentrate on red zone. Red zone, you require my help, and we are doing it regularly. So that will be a time management.
Sir, so we should not solve sample paper, sir.
So sample paper topic wise, if you are able to solve the green zone and yellow zone. Because red zone I'm already taking care of, right? Yes, right answer, Ankita. Rujita, right answer. You should solve sample paper. Without sample paper, there is no. So right now, if you ask me at what stage you should be at the stage of you have completed NCERT example, full concept clarity, and you are going to do sample paper. So, but sample papers, I am requesting you, don't waste your time by repeating the things. I am taking some very good questions. That questions are more than enough, but I am only focusing on red zone and some of the yellow zone. Green zone, you try it, and you can utilize some time for other chapters also, other subjects also. Harshini, right answer. Narendran, right answer. Tanish, right answer. Mega, right answer. Very good. Come on, students. Sir, should we do R.D. Sharma? So, student, if you have done all of them, you do R.D. Sharma. R.D. Sharma is the last. You see, what are the questions if I am taking sample papers? What do you feel where I am taking? I am taking from many things. R.D. Sharma, Oswal, okay, some very good websites. There are many questions I am repeating. So first is you complete your syllabus completely, and then examples, then sample papers. You take any website and go for sample papers directly. If at all you are feeling one topic, I'm not able to do the questions repeatedly for the last two sample papers, that topic you select from the RD Sharma. So you see many students are facing intro to trigonometry after repeating, revisioning, and some tips and tricks, some templates. Then you definitely go for RD Sharma questions from that topic. But no, don't do all the topics from RD Sharma. It will be many times. How many SQPS we have to do minimum? So sample question papers, frankly saying, the more you do, the better position you will be in your final board. Minimum 5 you should do, student, from every chapter. Or if you are taking totally, so at least go for 10. Harshini, okay. Amulya, okay. Ananya, okay. Okay, so it's simple, student. AB, you should just do by this particular thing. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. You should just substitute the values like this. I'm showing it on the screen. Just substitute values. Now you choose these two combination because you want X and many things are known. Just do it. Okay, so but you see sample, whatever chapters I am taking for the discussion, 100% your final question paper, final question from that chapters will be from our sessions only. Okay. Yeah, so in that we have finished SSS. Let us go for SAS, last criteria. SAS. So what does SAS say, student? SAS says that first of all, your sides ratio should be same. Okay, let me explain it. So you see AB by D, AB is here, D is here, and equal to AC by DF. Where is AC? AC is here, DF is here. If at all these ratios are same, and the angle A equal to angle D, you see this one. Now you see angle is black color is sandwiched between red and green. Here also black color is sandwiched between red and green. Only then you can just say they both are similar. If similar, this angle will be this angle will be this angle by CPST. And other BC by EF will also be equal. BC by EF, where is BC? Okay, so I think it's not. Okay, so automatically they come true. Okay, so but you should always check this particular condition, that angle should be sandwiched between different the equal sides ratios. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the first one question we'll take and we'll move ahead. So I think I'm left with biology 1.5 sessions, student. Okay. So monohybrid, hybrid, dihybrid, and something like X and Y. Is that identifying the polarity? A few concepts are there. I'll complete that. Only 1.5 session is there. Narendran, very good. Mega, wrong answer. Okay, so student, I gave one trick. Whenever you are able to see two angles, please calculate the third angle and keep it aside. You may or may not require. And to ensure that
Classes will take place till March.
Pardon?
Classes will take place till March.
Why March? No, student. You will finish your syllabus by you'll finish your exam by 25th, right? So the last session will be on 24th, something like that. And the last 3 days.
We'll finish exams by 20. So it's March something, right?
Yeah, 5th March for I think
It's
CBS.
March 7th or March 9th.
No, students.
Yeah.
I'm speaking about only science and maths. Why I'm interested about other subjects? My tuition is for only maths and science, right? So he's asking up to when
Okay.
you will be finishing the sessions, up to when it will continue, he's asking. So obviously 24th, I think. Okay, so last 2-3 days, there will be no sessions, but I'll be clearing individual doubts or individual tricks. And please wait for my last 50 questions. Okay, I'll be checking all the particular YouTube influencers data. You don't watch it. I am here to watch it. And I'll give top 50 questions. And the last just before one day, night or the early morning, and you should check that 50 questions. Ankita, right answer. Tanish, wrong answer. Rujita, right answer. Very good. Tanushri, very good student. Absolutely right. Tanish, right answer. Okay. So, student, when you find AB by PQ, it is something like 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. When you find AC, what is BC by PR, it is something like 3.5 by 7, which is again 1 by 2. So, I am just making AB and PQ and BC and PR, and you see the angle 30 30. I'll use the black color 30 30. So now you can say green red sandwich, they both are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to, whenever writing a ABC, AB is there means I should write PQ, BC is there means I wrote PR, but I wrote PQ. So what will I do? I'll just do ulta and write R. AB means PQ, BC means PR. Absolutely right. Now what is he asking? He's asking you angle A. In place of angle A, angle Q should be written. Angle Q is not known, but we have just found it as 70, so answer should be 70. Okay, very good students. Yeah, Megha, thank you for correcting yourself. Ananya, wrong answer. Avdan, veteran business farewell will do so. So farewell is for the students who will leave this particular tuition, and you all promise you will be available for the next year also for the same tuition. So there is no farewell. Okay. Yes, students, go for this question. Arshini, I'm starting NEET preparation next year online.
Yes, sir.
So will you be there? Arshini will say, sir, you are not at all completing biology. How will you prepare for NEET?
No, sir. Like I'm going to hostel, right?
You fixed in your mind, I guess.
Yes.
And give me the feedback after going to hostel, which way is comfortable. Comfort zone of your parents or the hostel where you will be doing all your particular things like washing your own clothes, preparing your own. You see, hostel food is
Sir,
big challenge. So you see, I spent almost 12 years in my hostel, and most of the time I would have bring food from the mess. I would have done myself that particular extra modification.
sir, clothes, there is a dhobi, it seems, so we don't have
Okay,
to
okay.
wash.
After 1-2 times, you will also say, I'll give you money, but you don't wash it. I'll wash it myself. You will say this dialogue. Yes, Narendra, right answer. Very good student. D is a midpoint. Point on B. D is the midpoint on BC. Now what is it saying? AB by AC, BD by DC. And he's saying that angle B and angle A. Okay, so that's easy question. Huh? Ankita, right answer. Megha, right answer. Okay, so clearly you can see, student, yes, Harshini, right answer. Red, blue, yellow sandwich. Red, blue, yellow sandwich. So these both triangles are similar by SAS criteria. Okay, if they are similar, this angle should be same. Theta, theta. Okay, so this is 55. Okay, I'll erase it. This is 55. This is 55. 50. Okay, this is 55. This is 55. 100, 110. So total will be 70. So this will be 35, 35. Yes, Tanish, very good student. Tanushri, no student. Little confusion. Okay. You see, Tanushri, you got similarity concept, right? You see, I have just
Yeah.
drawn the colors. So once they are similar, student, these both angles should also be similar by CPST. But total angle is nothing but 170. Why? Because this is 55 given, this is 55 given. So 180 minus 110, this is 70. But when both are equal, this will be 35 degrees, this will be 35 degrees.
Got it.
Yeah, Rujita, no student, some mistake you have done. Check it yourself.
Since I got 70, but how is it equal?
Question was
How,
angle C, CAD, this one.
yes, sir, but how is it 35 and 35?
You see, first of all, you need to prove these two triangles similar. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACD. Why? Because BD CD ratio, AB AC ratio, and angle both are 45, 55, 55 beta. So SAS criteria, they both are similar. If SAS criteria, they both are similar, what will be the angle of A and A here? Angle A equal to angle A. That means in this triangle, this will be theta, this will be theta. So total is 70, so this will be 35, 35. Then only they both will be equal, right?
Okay, so because they haven't given that AD as a median. So,
Oh, I did not use that concept. Yeah, you are absolutely right. So I did not use that concept. I proved their SAS, then I have divided.
oh, okay.
Okay. So you see, student, AD is a median. So Harshini, if at all I am saying median, whether it should be absolutely like this, is it required that it should be perpendicular bisector?
No, sir, median would be perpendicular.
Okay. So if median, is it requirement that it should be the angular bisector?
No, sir, only for the side. It divides the side
Okay, right answer.
equally.
Okay, so student, don't get confused. Very good. Median, perpendicular bisector, angular bisector, they all are look same, but it is not right way. So whenever you are getting confused, use similarity. Don't try to recall the past things in your mind.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so student, one thing, angle bisector. So two theorems I am just giving you. Angle bisector, most of the students know, but still I want to give it. Okay. Angle bisector theorem. This theorem is used in some of the questions in sample papers. Angle bisector theorem. What does it say? It says that if in a triangle, angle bisector theorem states that the angle bisector of any angle, you see, there is a triangle. If this angle is bisected, what does that mean? If this total is theta, this is theta by 2, this theta by 2. Angle bisect. This line AB has bisected this angle. Bisected means equally distributed. Then it will divide the opposite sides in the ratio of sides containing the angle. What are the opposite sides? BD and DC. It will divide the opposite side BD by DC such that the ratios of the sides containing the angle. So what is this angle containing sides? This one, AB by AC. Anyhow, if you did not understand, you can just remember what is angle bisector theorem. You see, this is a triangle. If at all a line is drawn such that it is breaking this into 50 degrees, you can just say that ABCD, AB by AC, AB by AC equal to AB is ending where? Here. BD by AC is ending where? Ending here, CD. Okay, AB by AC equal to BD by CD. Angle bisector theorem, student. Okay, this theorem is used in some of the questions to reduce your load. Otherwise, in that big question, if you prove these both are similar, that's a very big question it will become. So try to use angle by angle. You can use this. Why? You have learned in your elementary classes, angle bisector theorem. Okay, the only theorems which you did not learn in your elementary class, in class 10, you should not use it. If you are using it, you need to prove it. Okay? Angle. So try to give the answer to student. This one in triangle ABC triangle ABC. AB is 3, AC is 4, AD is a bisector, AD is a bisector, means this angle is same bisector of angle A, he said. Then BD by DC, then he is asking BD by DC ratio. Narendran and Harshini, right answer. Ankita, right answer. Tanish, following Tanish? Tanish is not there. I take the name whoever is not there, I guess. Okay. So obviously just now we have seen AB by AC equal to BD by DC. When should I use this one? If at all there is a word like AD is an angular bisector. AD is an angle, only then I need to use this. So AB by AC 3 by 4 equal to BD by DC, and that is what he asked. So 3:4 is the right answer. Yes, Rujita, right answer. Okay, this is one theorem which I just want to add it. Do you want to do this? Okay, do this. Do the value. Harshini, you're right, student. Narendran, Harshini, right. AD is the angle bisector of angle A, student. He has mentioned you can use the angle bisector theorem. AB by AC equal to BD by D. That's all, nothing more than that. Ankita, right answer. Rujuta, right answer. 12 by 18. BD 6 by X, student. Finish. 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 2 9s are X equal to 9. Anushri, understood beta?
Yes, sir, I was doing.
Okay, so last concept. You see, this is what the concept I thought to give. There are some MCQ questions. There is no 2 marks also. Only MCQ questions you will be seeing. Okay, area of similar triangle. You see, student, we have up to here we have learned ABC is similar to PQR. This is what you have learned. Now, what about their areas? What about their areas? So areas. So whenever they both are similar, what can you write? If I am saying ABC is similar to PQR, what can you write by CPST? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. This is what you write, right? So whenever they are asking areas, you should just do square, students, nothing more than that. And how, why this? There is no requirement. For SSC Telangana student, you have this as an important proof. It's easy also, okay? It's easy also, okay? So for CBSE, there is no requirement. This is deleted. But there are MCQ questions. Whenever he is asking about the area, you should square it. You should square it, okay? Ananya Amulya, are you there, students? Ananya Amulya? Again, you have switched off your video. Okay, so one question on this. Let's close this particular chapter then. You should see, first of all, they are similar. If similar, then you should see their ratios are given. And once he's asking areas, you know the formula. You just square it and give. That's all. Yes, Harshini, right. Okay, once he's asking areas, that will be equal to AB by PQ whole square or BC by QR whole square or AC by PR whole square. That's all, student. He has given AB by PQ, that will be 4 by 5 whole square, 16 by 25 will be your answer. Okay, very good. Okay, this is one question which you can expect one mark in CQ. Okay. Yeah, so with that, let us stop. So, okay, students, as I said, one question is there which will also eat your minds. Okay, there is some extra construction required. So I'll be taking this question in the sample papers right now. I'll not take this question because already we have taken one question which is little bit confusing. Okay, so let us do the sample papers from the next topic, next session, student. Okay, similar. So one session is more than enough, I guess. I'll just do sample papers and I'll transfer that entire sample paper PDF to you. If you are interested, you can proceed. Okay. And then next, what will I start? I'll start arithmetic progression. I'll start arithmetic progressions or else surface areas, whatever it is. That is NCERT question. Yes, that is NCERT question, student.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, student.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.